Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add subtitles in VLC Media Player on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the VLC Media Player on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, add the video you want to watch with subtitles. You can import videos from the Files app, Camera Roll, or using Wi-Fi sharing. After importing, the video will appear in the video section. Make sure you have a subtitle files, usually in SRT format. Subtitles file should have the same name as the video file for easy detection. Now move both the video file and subtitle file into the same folders inside VLC. You can do this using Files app or VLC Wi-Fi sharing features. Once that's done, tap on the video to start playing it. While the video is playing, tap once on the screen to show the controls. Now tap the subtitle icon which looks like a speech bubble. If the subtitle is detected, simply select it from the list. The subtitles will now appear on the screen while the video is playing. If you don't see subtitles, go back to the subtitle menu and make sure they are turned on. And that's it. We have successfully learned how to add subtitles in VLC player on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.